Hello and welcome to my video where I'm going to be going over a Leadpages landing page demo / tutorial so you can see how they work, and of course connecting a initial landing page to a thank you page so all of your leads can download what they came looking for. Let's get started. First and foremost, with the landing page templates, I like sorting by conversion rate. This is great because you're going to get some of the highest converting templates up at the top. I'm going to keep it super basic and go with the super basic squeeze page. I gave it a name called the super basic landing page. Very basic, I know. Clicking on continue. And here we are. As you can see, there's not a whole lot going on, and that's one of the biggest reasons to as a squeeze page or landing page like this would convert very well. The lead meter is great. This is a great way to kind of check if it checks off a lot of the boxes of a lot of the important things when it comes to converting highly. For example, like the button is easily readable, the call to action has a few characters or it drives action, fewer than a certain amount of videos, bulleted list is concise in order like they don't have a ton of characters for a lot of these, and overall everything's going to be above the fold. And when someone arrives on a page like this, there's only one thing for them to do. They can either get the bundle or leave, and that's great because the more options you give someone, the higher the chances are that they're not going to convert or at least get the bundle or whatever you're looking to do. So for this, we can let them know this could be for something like free YouTube marketing PDF case study. I like letting them know what they're going to be getting, okay? Here's how you can send free traffic to your landing pages. Something like that. Very bad headline. I know, I'm making it up as I go. Right here, what I want to do is click here to continue. This is actually going to be a pop-up, which is cool. These tend to convert a little bit better because when someone clicks on this, it's a micro commitment. It means that they're already interested, and since they've already taken one step, it's going to be a little bit easier for them to complete the last step, which is putting in their email. Let's go to edit pop-up, and this is where it's going to be, almost there. Please complete this form to gain instant access. We can put something like almost there. Let's see. Enter your email below to get instant access. Then it says, where should we send your free case study? Also, I changed around the get instant access. There's also going to be one thing you want to change in terms of connecting this to your thank you page, which I'm going to do last. So overall, not a whole lot going on here. We don't need many layouts or widgets. I mean, if you want to do widgets like with the bar at the top, you can. But for now, I'm just going to publish this. Click publish. Cool. And X out. Now in a new window, I have the thank you page. Now when we're going to the actual templates, if we go to the page type, we can go to the thank you and confirmation. So when someone obviously opts in, they're going to get an email in the background, which there's plenty of integrations for in terms of tutorials. I'm not going to do that because I'm not sure what autoresponder you're using, so it's not too difficult to do. There will be tutorials for that, but I want to create use a simple thank you page here. This one looks good, very simple. Okay, it's created gracias. It's a page name. Let's click continue. Okay, this looks like a logo. Let's do congratulations. Thank you for opting in. Okay, so this is where you can obviously edit things around, like a picture here. Sometimes a video here is going to be great so you can introduce yourself. A lot of times, especially if it's cold traffic, it's different. Like say if I'm doing videos and someone opts in, they already have an idea of who I am, my voice, my name, what I'm all about. But if you're sending, say, traffic from Facebook, it's super cold traffic. They have no idea who you are. You kind of interrupted them while they were scrolling through their Facebook feed, looking at beautiful pictures of cats. You might want to add a little bit more so they know you, who you are, what you're all about, and so on and so forth. You know, that's where you can put a video where you talk to them saying something like, hey, thank you so much for opting in. My name is James. I've been doing this for so on and so forth. You're going to be getting plenty of benefits, tips, and tools when it comes to help build your online business. So make sure you check out your emails. Not only have I sent your free report there, but I also have a really nice bonus. So you want to make sure you check that out. Aside from that, you can get your free report case study by clicking the button down below. That's about it. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to check out your inbox because I got quite a few bonuses for you. Okay, something like that. Obviously, when you do video, you don't need as much text. You can always write it out, put a picture of yourself, whatever it's going to be. That's up to you. If they want to download the free report, what you can do is go to click event. And what you can do is go to an external URL. So if you have like a PDF here, if this was a video training, you could obviously just like embed a video or send them to a link of where it's going to be. If it's going to be that PDF, you can upload that maybe on a website in a file storage place and just give them the link where they can go straight to it, read it, and digest it, whatever it is you're going to be sending them. Either way, what I want to do is save this, publish. Gracias, sure, publish, okay. Now what I want to do is go back to the original one. I'm just going to reload this because this page was created before and it's not aware that gracias, gracias, the thank you page is available. So I'm just going to reload this quick. Now what we want to do is actually integrate these pages where when someone opts in, they're going to get sent to that thank you page. So I'm going to go click here to continue. Oops. I want to click on the edit pop-up button. Then what I want to do is click on the edit integrations button. And when that pops open, you want to go to the actions field. And if we go to the landing page section here, we can do the gracias page or thank you page. What this means is that whenever someone enters their email, they click on the continue or get instant access button. We're going to send the visitor to which one of these pages. Obviously, we already created our thank you page. So if you had an external URL, or maybe you just want to send them straight to the PDF file if you have one, that's an option. But we're going to go to the thank you page, save and close, and let's update. Right, I'm going to view this in a new window or tab. Okay, so here's how you can send free traffic to your landing pages. I know this is like the worst headline ever. This is just an example tutorial demo. This is where your magic's going to come in. You got to know what your audience wants. Obviously, a big juicy benefit, whatever it's going to be. They click here to continue. I'm going to put a nice email in here. And there is a nice email in here. Okay, we're going to click on get instant access. And of course, when you set this up with your autoresponder, they should get their email in the background. But let's click on this. And as expected, we go to the Gracias page where you would have your thank you page. Now, there's plenty of things to do here. I talked about that before, whether it's going to be your video. You could always have a link to a webinar, maybe, if they want further training. Could be maybe an affiliate link for something that's really going to help them in the process in terms of what you're already giving them, and so on and so forth. But that's about it. That concludes the Leadpages landing page tutorial/demo. That's how you can set it up when it comes to getting that first step and the second step. Obviously, you want to make sure you integrate your autoresponder in there, but that's going to be based upon the one that you specifically choose, and Leadpages has plenty of tutorials based upon the email marketing tool that you're going to be using. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. Also, if you haven't tried out Leadpages yet, I will put a link down below. They do come with a free trial, so you can just do what I did and see if you like it. Either way, that's about it. Thanks again, and I'll talk to you soon.